Abona mangisazothi ngikhuluma nawe nguridela i-chart wena bese ucabangana nomsebenzi. I-universe ayiwazi umsebenzi. I-system yenu le yazi umsebenzi. Umsebenzi i-universe ayiwazi. Mucabanga ukuthi wena ungasuka all the way from the spiritual domain uzosebenza la. You got it all wrong. I-universe yazi ukuthi inama energy archetypes, inama energetic configurations eyakunika wena wona yona. Ixhumana nawe ukuthi wena wa express la wa ground on the physical dimension ngendlela ozowa grounda ngayo wena, kodwa wena ucabangana nomsebenzi. Ucabangana nomsebenzi nje. Awucabanga ukuthi uma ngabe uphiwe italente lokwazi ukukhuluma, there are multitude of ways ongakwazi ukugrounda ngayo lonto udlulisa ama messages e-universe. Wena ucabangana nokuthi kumele ngikutshele ukuthi ba uthisha, ucabangana nokuthi kumele ngikutshele ukuthi ba motivational speaker, kumele ngikutshele ukuthi ucabangana nomsebenzi nje. Kwi-human design masikhuluma, izinto esikhuluma ngazo ziwu-2: strategy and authority. Kodwa ngalesi sikhathi ubingelelo changes akasha ukuthi kungenzeka noma yini, noma inini, noma kanjani, kunoma ubani, ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ocabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli, uyabona. Wena ukuthi ucabanga ukuthi lama energies zakho zalwe nawo uphiwe wona uyowakhipha kanjani la emhlabeni, lokho is not a matter of your mind. It's not a matter ukuthi ucabange ukuthi njengoba ngiphiwe isiphiwo se-intuition or noma njengoba ngiphiwe isiphiwo se-mental focus kumele ngicabanga ukuthi konje la ngizoziplace aphi la kulo mhlaba lo kule system. It's not a matter of that. You can't think your way out la emhlabeni. Impilo ayiphilwa ngengqondo. Njengoba ngishilo ngathi ka human design sikhuluma ngento eziwu-2: strategy, how do you engage with life; authority, how do you make decisions. Konke lokho okunye ngisuke ngikubala ukuthi une-channel ewukuthi, une-channel ewukuthi, une-channel ewukuthi, lo nto isuke ikutshela ukuthi uyiqonde wena ukuthi mina, that is why I do things this way. It's because I have this channel, I have this gate, I have this. Those are configurations that are there. That has nothing to do with when you have to think how you're going to express this. It's not a matter of thinking life. It's not a matter of thinking life. Because if I'm talking about the authority, we have 7 authorities la. And right now you have your own authority. Maybe let me break this thing down for you. Ngoba abantu bafuna sisho lento eyifunwa yibona njalo masikhuluma nabo. Ngasizisho into eyifunwa yini thina. Thina sosho izinto esizidownloada nezinto esizithola lapho esizithola khona from the quantum field ukuthi le vele intando yakhe akuyona lezo thandwa abantu, ngoba abantu bafuna lokhu kwabo. Kodwa ekugcineni akugcini lokhu komuntu, kugcina lokhu kwe-universe. No matter how long it may take. Ngoba abantu bafuna sikhulume lokhu okuthandwa yibo. Let me break this thing down for you. Yabona u-70% wabantu la emhlabeni bangama-generators, meaning bane-sacral authority, or let me put it this way, they are here to use their energy kulo mhlaba. They are here to use their creative, banento ekuthiwa i-consistent creative life force energy la emhlabeni. If they are doing what they love, they can do it 24/7 non-stop. Their sacral is on. Konke okunye kuza after. Konke okunye kuza after. I-generator izoba ne-emotional authority, noma i-generator izoba ne-sacral authority. Yabo? And then i-authority yakhe yona ekutshela ukuthi thatha sephi isinqumo. Njengamanje yenza njani? Yona ekutshelayo. Ase ngeke ngabaridela ama-chasing, ngibatshelile ukuthi emotional authority, wait for emotional clarity before you make a decision. Umuntu ne-sacral, responda. Ekugcineni vele sama-generate, we have to respond to a sacral. I-gut feeling, i-sacral is a gut feeling. It's a gut feeling. Yilokho okujwayele ukuthi it's a gut. Ithini i-gut yakho? Responda kuyona, ithini? Ngoba manje you are thinking your way. Kwesinye isikhathi i-gut ayirespondi into enethando nguwena. Igazi yakhe ayiresponde into enethanda ukuwena. Igazi yakhe ikutshela ukuthi nje ungayi lapho, kodwa ingqondo yakhe itshela ukuthi yiya lapho. Who should you listen? Ayithi ingqondo izokutshela ukuthi how fancy and flashy it is for you to go there, but at the end of the day it is not right for you, because the sacral is the body intelligence, and the body is linked to the superconscious, and the superconscious is what you call God, not the mind. The mind can tell you to do something. The mind does not provide you with energy. That is why you start things and then in the middle of them you are leaving them, because you started them through your mind. You are not responding with the sacral. The sacral is giving you energy to do things. If you don't know what to do, wait. Thini strategy says abantu abama-generators, wait and respond with your sacral. Just wait. You just want to consistently doing something, and we are doing wrong things. Wait, just wait. Who said the time is lokunjan is racing against you, or the time is passing? No. There's no rush, no hurry in South Africa. Just wait. What the use of not waiting and engaging in wrong things that are not even for you, than to wait and wait for you things? Things as a generator will come to you effortlessly. You are not meant to put 80% effort and get 20% returns. Not unless you are manifesting a pure manifesting generator that is constantly doing something. The manifesting generator, a pure one, the one that is having a 3420 channel, they are constantly doing, they are constantly thinking, they are constantly doing whatever they want to do in their own corner alone. They don't care. Yabo. But abantu bafuna ukuthi sithi hamba uapplyela umsebenzi othile noma yeka lo wenzayo. Akona kwethu lokho. Wena tell leli authority yakho, if isacral yakho isikhethele lo msebenzi owenzayo, izowakhela ama situations that will kick you out of that lokungana. It's not a matter of you thinking which I have to resign or not. No, it's a matter of waiting and see what your sacral tells you after. Sacral is okutshela ukuthi what you have to do. If your sacral can't take it anymore, you won't go to that work. If sacral can't take it anymore, you won't carry on with whatever you are doing. It's not yours. The sacral is done. It's not a matter of when should I continue with this or should I... No, wait and respond with your sacral. What does your sacral say? In everything that you do, konke ama-channels onawo empilweni yakho, kwi-body graph yakho, wait. Even if you have the channel of whatever channel it is, wait. You are a generator, mos. You are a projector. Invitations, let you be invited. Mufuna ukuguide uninvitedly. So you are a projector. Ufuna ukuguide ngoba you know things better, you understand people and situations, and you want to guide, and then your advices are landing in deaf ears. Then you are bitter after that. Strategy and authority. What is your authority? Follow it. Follow. This is sacral ila. Beneath your navel, there is ithambo lapho elibizwa ngesacral. That is where your life force come from. Iresponda ngayo ke wena. Indaba yomsebenzi, ungangitsheli ngomsebenzi mina. Umsebenzi indlela noma iform wena o-articulate ngayo, okhipha ngayo lezinto. Umsebenzi mningabe imisebenzi. Uyazi ukuthi sobabili singanikezwa the very same incarnation cross or soul purpose, but sidlala ngendlela ehlukene, ngendlela ehlukile. Umsebenzi indlela nje yokukhipha lokho onikezwe kona. Yabo, yokuframe. Usho ngitshela umuntu ongasebenzi akanayo i-chart yena, akawakhipha ama-energies akhe ngendlela ethile. Umsebenzi uhlobo isystem yenu umsebenzi. I-universe ayazi luso ngalo system, idizwane yini bantu. So ungangitsheli ngomsebenzi mangabe sikhuluma nge-chart. Ngoba la sikhuluma ukuthi wena kumele uphile impilo that is satisfying as a generator, a life of success as a projector. Yabo, ngeke ungitshela ukuba satisfied ngoba nakho uyasebenza. Khona abantu abasebenza abekho satisfied.